Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. Today I am doing another unboxing video. It is the second unboxing video this week, but today we are doing the BoxyCharm unboxing. My box is a little bit mangled and looks a little damaged, so hopefully all the products inside are still safe and great and amazing. So let's just get this video started, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you like this video, and let's just get started because I've been talking too long. So I opened the box, and this is inside. So this looks like, what is this? $10 off at the Ulta Skin Bar. So hopefully I can use this and see, when does it expire? Never? That would be awesome if this never expired. So yeah, anyways, so that's pretty awesome that that comes in the box this month. And here is the card. I will read all of the MSRPs on the products and total it up by the end, and we can figure out how much this box is really worth. So the first thing I see in here, which I'm super excited about, is this Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Face Mask. It says it's nourishing prebiotic green mask. Let's see what it says on here. It says, get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. And recently I've been trying some new masks, and I'm really excited to try this one. I've used the brand Elemis before. I actually have a cleansing balm, I believe, which I do like. It's a little bit heavy on my skin. So I'm really excited to try this out and see what it's like. I'm going to smell it. I mean, it smells really good. I'm really excited about this. I'm pretty sure this has, yep, it has avocado and broccoli seed oil in here. So yeah, I'll have to update you guys and let you know how I like this. I'm really excited to try it. I'll probably do this tonight because it is like a night that I should be doing a face mask and spend a couple days. So yeah. Also, the MSRP on that is $35. So right there, you already have your whole box covered, plus some. The next thing in here is this Luxy J. I have no idea how to pronounce this, so don't judge me, but this says, unleash your true beauty by being kind to the earth. Please help keep our planet beautiful by recycling this package, which I think is awesome. I love Luxy, so hopefully these brushes are pretty nice. Let's open them up. So this is awesome. This comes with 3 brushes. It looks like a foundation, like paddle brush type of thing, which I kind of actually need one of these. I have nothing to apply like my foundation with. I just use my fingers all the time. The next is this large eye blending brush, which feels really soft, and this might work really well in the crease, just to kind of blend out the lighter shades. And then this precision crease brush, which I'll probably use for like the inner corner, under the brow bone, or, I mean, there's plenty of uses for all of these, and they all feel really, really soft. They have like a wood ferrule, which is pretty awesome, and they're pink, which is even better. Like most Luxy brushes are. I think they're pink and purple usually. The MSRP on that is $30. So again, you are already getting your full box price plus some. The next thing in here is this Appeal Gel Liner. This is in Forest Green. I'm going to try to open this and swatch it for you guys. So I already have some swatches on my hand. Those are just from earlier when I was doing this eye look. I wanted to see what color I wanted to use, so I'm just going to swatch it right here. Ooh, that was really pigmented. That was one swatch right there. I'm going to just color it in a little bit. So here's the swatch right here. It's a really, really pretty color. I'm actually really excited about this. I've been getting into color a little more, as you can tell. I just filmed an eye look on this, so stay tuned for that. But I've been getting into color a little bit more and just incorporating just like the tiniest little pop of color. I love it. I think it is so fun and so awesome to do. The MSRP on that is $21. So again, there is your third product this month that you are getting the full price of the whole entire box. So I think that is awesome already. The next thing is this Alamar Cosmetics. This is a nude lip gloss, I believe. I'm not even going to try to read the name of that because we know I suck at pronouncing things. So I'm going to go ahead and just swatch it on my hand right here. Ooh, that's a really pretty shade. That kind of went on the eyeshadow. That's a little gross, but it looks really, really shiny, and it's like a really pretty nude shade. I really think I'm going to like this. The applicator is pretty awesome. I don't know if you can tell. It's like a flat doe foot kind of thing. So I'm really excited to use this. I'll have to try it out probably in my next tutorial or something. This is $15. So you're almost getting the price of the box, which is awesome because this is just one product, and we've already had 3 products that have covered the full price of the box already. And the last thing is this Butter London eyeshadow palette. Do you have a name? Well, on the card it said it is the Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. And we'll open it up and see what it looks like on the inside. So this is what it looks like on the inside. I think this is really, really pretty looking. I think it'll be a lot of fun to play with. This blue right here is really, you can see my messy desk right here. Anyway, this blue right here seems really, really pretty. Hopefully it works really well. I'm going to swatch a couple of them. Well, let me just swatch all of them. Why not? I'm just going to swatch them right here. Here's the green. That's called Star. I lost track. This is Enchantress, I believe. This is Queen. And this is Diva. So there are the 4 shimmer shades. It's kind of running down my arm a little bit. And then next I'm just going to swatch the 2 matte. Ooh, these seem really creamy. Even the blue seems pretty creamy, which is, I mean, I know colors are a little bit harder to produce than just like a normal brown color. So hopefully these look nice. Ooh, that blue looks pretty decent, and that brown looks really pigmented and nice. So I'm going to definitely have to try this out. I'm really excited about this. I think it's a really fun summer palette, so that's pretty awesome to get in our box. And the MSRP on that is $32. So we're going to total this up real quick, and then I will get right back with the total. So the total price of this box is $133, which is awesome because you are only paying $21 a month for this box, and I recommend this box to anyone and everyone because it is so awesome. It broadens your range of products, brands, everything. Like, it just gives you new products to try. I think it's 4 to 5 full-size products a month, which is so awesome because you're only paying $21. And like today, 4 out of the 5 products we got today were completely covered the whole entire box, which that's just adding 4 extra products you just got for the same amount as you would get for one. So I think it's really awesome, and I would recommend this to anyone. I will leave a link in the description box to the website so you can sign up and get this box for yourself. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like these kind of videos, if you want me to keep doing these, like BoxyCharm unboxings with the face sugar unboxing. And yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. And it's only I think it's 4 to full 5. Oh my gosh. I think it's 4 to full. Oh my god.